Hello students, I am Dr. Rajaram Dhok from Savitribai Phule Pune University affiliated Agricultural Development Trust Shardabai Pawar Mahila College Sharda Nagar Baramati. Let's start. Today's lecture on molecular orbital theory, lecture number 14. In this lecture, we learn about the MO energy level diagram of N2 molecule. In the MO energy level diagram for N2 molecule, 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3. So 1s orbital is lower in energy, so it does not take part in the bonding. Thus 1s orbital remains as a non-bonding. Only 2s orbitals and 6 2p orbitals of two nitrogen atoms combines with each other and forms total 8 molecular orbitals. Here 2s and 2p orbitals of nitrogen atom are close in energy, so they interact with each other, and sequence of energy for N2 molecule in molecular orbital is given sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, pi 2py, pi 2pz, sigma 2px, pi star 2py, pi star 2pz and sigma 2px. So in this increasing order, the molecular orbitals are filled. So we show here molecular orbital diagram for N2 molecule. Its pictorial representation is given in this diagram. In this diagram, we have not shown the 1s atomic orbital of nitrogen and 1s atomic orbital of second nitrogen because it is the inner shells, and only the valence shell 2s and 2p atomic orbital of first nitrogen and second nitrogen is shown here. Now, how this diagram is constructed? So first atomic orbital of nitrogen 2s atomic orbital, second nitrogen's 2s atomic orbital. When its wave functions are same, then sigma 2s molecular orbital is formed. And this sigma 2s molecular orbital have lower energy than the original atomic orbital energy. Then these 2s of first nitrogen and 2s of second nitrogen, when its wave functions are different, then anti-bonding sigma star 2s molecular orbital is formed, and this molecular orbital is higher energy than the original atomic orbital energy. Now 2p of first nitrogen and 2p of second nitrogen combines with each other depending upon their symmetry, geometry and energy. So here 2px of first nitrogen and 2px of second nitrogen, both are in the axial position. They combine with each other when wave functions are same and sigma 2px molecular orbital is formed. Then py atomic orbital of first nitrogen and py atomic orbital of second nitrogen, when its wave functions are same, then pi 2py molecular orbital is formed and its energy is lower. Pz atomic orbital of first nitrogen and pz atomic orbital of second nitrogen atom, when wave functions are same, then bonding pi 2pz molecular orbital is formed. So in this way, when wave functions are same, then at that time by combination of atomic orbital, 3 molecular orbital is formed, that is 1 sigma 2px and 2 pi molecular orbitals, that is pi 2py and pi 2pz. In the same way, when wave functions of these atomic orbitals are different, then at that time Antibonding molecular orbitals are formed, and in these antibonding molecular orbitals, by combination of py and py, when wave functions are different, then pi star 2py molecular orbital is formed. In pz and pz, when wave functions are different, then pi star 2pz molecular orbital is formed. And in case of the px and px, when wave functions are different, then sigma star 2px molecular orbital is formed. In this way, by combination of 8 atomic orbitals, 8 molecular orbitals are formed, and its increasing energy is in this direction. Now, here 5 electrons from first nitrogen atom and 5 electrons from second nitrogen atom, that total 10 electrons fills in the molecular orbitals. So sigma 2s contains 2 electron, sigma star 2s contains 2 electron, pi 2py contains 2 electron, pi 2pz fills 2 electron, and sigma 2px fills 2 electron. In this way, electrons are filled in this molecular orbital diagram. So from this electron filling, we write the molecular orbital electronic configuration of N2 molecule. In the MO electron configuration of N2 molecule, the presence of non-bonding 1s2 electron is shown by capital letter K, because these 2 electrons are present in the first shell, that is the K shell. There are 2 nitrogen atoms takes part in the bond formation, so letter K is repeated and we write KK. The remaining 10 electrons of N2 molecule follows different rules, above principles, Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity, and fills the electron just we have seen in this diagram. So the MO electronic configuration of N2 molecule we can write as KK sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi 2py2, pi 2pz2, and sigma 2px2. So this is the MO electronic configuration of N2 molecule. Energy evolved during the formation of N2 molecule is given by the formula energy evolved is equal to number of electron in bonding molecular orbital into minus beta plus number of electron in antibonding molecular orbital into plus beta. By adding the value of number of electron in bonding molecular orbitals and in antibonding molecular orbitals, we write the equation minus 8 beta plus 2 beta is equal to minus 6 beta. This minus 6 beta energy evolved is stabilization energy of N2 molecule. So in N2 molecule, minus 6 beta energy is evolved, and as compared with other molecules like Li2, B2, C2, this energy is higher, and so N2 molecule is stable molecule than the other molecule. Bond order of N2 molecule. The number of bonds between the two atoms is called bond order. The bond order of this N2 molecule is given by the formula 1/2 into number of electron in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electron in antibonding molecular orbital. So, in bonding molecular orbital, 8 electrons present. In antibonding molecular orbital, 2 electrons present. So, 8 minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So, N2 molecule contains 3 bonds. Out of that, one is sigma bond and 2 pi bonds. Means in nitrogen molecule, total three bonds present, and because of that N2 molecule is stronger molecule. Its bond length is 1.10 degree Angstrom and bond energy is 226 kilocalories per mole. So N2 molecule is called as highly stable molecule and chemically it is inert. Now last property is magnetic property. In the N2 molecule all electrons paired. So there is not any single unpaired electron, and because of that N2 molecule shows diamagnetic property. I have given you assignment on this topic. You solve the assignment and submit it. For the assignment, you check the link of assignment in this video description.